Summer is here. Our skin needs extra care to stay fresh, oil-free and glowing. This homemade face wash is the perfect natural solution. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons rice flour, exfoliate dead skins and brightens skin. Red lentils powder 2 tablespoons, deep cleanses, remove dirt and unclog pores. Gram flour 2 tablespoons, control oil, prevents acne and keeps skin fresh. Turmeric half tablespoon, add clove, fight in bacteria and reduce blemishes. Coffee powder 1 tablespoon, remove dullness. Method: mix all the ingredients thoroughly to form a fine soft powder. Store it in airtight container to keep it fresh for a month. Take a small amount, mix with water, rose water or curd and massage gently for a minute. Rinse with cool water. Your skin will feel soft, fresh and glowing. This DIY face wash keep your skin healthy and oil-free. Try it and share your results. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.